Boys and girls, how you guys doing today? My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, and this is Hey Bartender. As you can see probably on the back, it's just kind of like an overcast, and I was thinking to myself, what should I be drinking today? And then I turn around and I see my piggies hanging over there, and I'm like, well, I have some pineapples, and I have some Vermont rye. Why not making the Vermont? You gotta edit this.
Close enough.
Why not to make the Vermont? Why not to make the Vermont Pineapple Smash? Please stay here with me. Let me check it out. Let me show you how to do this really tasty cocktail. All right, the Vermont. Very simple, you guys. The other day I was actually at work, and like I said, sometimes, these companies, they just make an amazing and very flavorful stuff. Not too long ago, you guys saw the berries and rye. Really cool cocktail that it was made with Whistlepig 10. Lots of you guys, they leave some comments saying that why did I waste it? Why not? It's not like I'm gonna make a whole batch for everybody and waste the entire bottle. I'm just making one cocktail in order to try one of the nicest spirits in the market, turn into a cocktail and see what kind of an offer to me for my palate or for one of my friends. Well, in that case, I wanted to introduce you to the Whistlepig maple syrup. Why maple syrup? You wait and please check this out. We're going to start with our little tin, and what we're going to do is we're going to grill some pineapple chunks. Make sure that they're not completely dry. They're just going to be grilled, kind of like a toast, but they're going to be nice and smooshy, kind of like a holding all their sugars. Followed by that, we're going to put, per cocktail, 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. Ounce and a half of your rye. If you can get the piggy 6 year, that'll be perfect. If not, the 10 will be excellent. Do not use on this your Boss Hog rye, which is going to be like the most expensive one. Comes with this little guy that is called the Magallans. This one is the Lupa Lupu, but we will have another talk about this kind of like amazing product. And what we're going to do is we're just going to give it a really nice press. Let's muddle the pineapple, get all the juices out. Smells so good. Let's put some mash. And let's give it a good shake. Totally spaced out on this one. 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. See for a second, check. Production is like a good job. That's more like it. Let's get some ice. Double strain. Cannot find my strainer, so it's going to be a simple strain. Remember, you have some chunks of pineapple saturated with the liquor, so make sure you give them some time to strain it all the way out. A little bit of club soda. And you're gonna garnish it. Nice pineapple. How do you call this? The upper part of your pineapple, how do you call that?
Pineapple leaf.
Pineapple leaf. And maybe a little flour. And for those lovers of rye, just like myself, the Vermont Pineapple Smash. Salud, everyone. Cheers. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't drink and drive. See you next time.